Okay, now we proceed to example 27. Okay, so we have 8%, okay, of certain branded tires are defective. Okay, if random samples, okay, we have sample of 1600. So what is the approximate probability that exactly, okay, so exactly 1 to 5 tire will be defective. Okay, and question B, probability of at least, that means must be greater or equal to 150. Okay, so we get the information. Okay, we have the probability 8 over 100, in which is equal to 0.08 of P, and we have a random sample N, which is equal 1600. So we have the binomial. Okay, we have N 1600 and we have the P 0.08. Okay, now so the N 1600 is large. Okay, the N is considered as large. Okay, so we do on the step 1. Okay, we want to check, okay, whether we can use the normal approximation or not. So we have the NP and we have P. Okay, so we will get the answer of 1, 2, 8. Okay, so we want to calculate the NQ. Okay, so your Q is 1 minus 0.08, then you get is equal to 0.92. Okay, so we get 1472. So NP and NQ both are greater than 5. So we can use a normal approximation. So we go to step 2. So we must calculate the mean, the variance, and also we can calculate the standard deviation. So the mean is equal to the NP. So we already calculate in step 1. So it's equal to 128. And the variance is the NPQ. Okay. So 100. So we get is equal to 117.76. Okay, so for the standard deviation, the square root of NPQ or the square root of 117.76, so it's equal to 10.8517. Okay, now we already calculate the mean, variance, and also the standard deviation. So in the step 3, we want to write in a normal distribution notation. So we have the mean is 1 to 8, and also we have a variance is 117.76. Okay, you can write this, or you can write as 10.8517 square. Okay, so you also can write like this. Okay, so no problem, both is correct. Okay, because you will get the same answer, 10.8517 square, you will get 117.76. Okay, now we go to step 4. Okay, so in this step 4, we are looking for probability as x equal to 1 to 5. Okay, so again you must use the continuity table. Okay, so from the theory 13, okay, when we have the equal, that's mean it's minus 0.5 and plus 0.5, then we get 1 to 4.5 and also 1 to 5.5. Okay, so this is when you are using the theory 13. Okay, so 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So in this step 5, we are going to we must use the formula of standard normal distribution. So it's minus, our mean is 1 to 8. Okay, then we have here z 1 to 5.5 minus 1 to 8. Okay, so this one is under standard deviation. Okay, now, so you must be careful, okay, aware of this variance. Okay, so if you are using these notations, okay, make sure when you want to calculate the standard deviations, okay, you must use the square root of 117.76. But if you are using this notation, so that's mean this one, your standard deviation is 10.8517. Okay, so please don't do a mistake on this standard deviation. So we want the value of standard deviation, so it can be 10.8517 or the square root of 117.76. Okay, so it's 10.8517. So okay, so after we calculate, we will get this one. Okay, so we cannot get this answer, okay, from the table, so you must refer to our formula. Okay, so we have the negative 0.3225 z and also negative 0.2304. Okay, so it's equal to z greater than 0.2304 minus with the probability of z greater than 0.3225. So it's equal to z greater than 2304 and minus with z greater than 0.225. Okay, so we can 0.2304 becomes 0.23. Okay, minus with the 0.32. Okay, so now we can look from the table what is the probability. Okay, now this is a table 3, normal distribution table. So we are looking for 0.2. Okay, 0.2 is here. 0.23. Okay, so 0.03 is here. So okay, when the probability z greater than 0.23, so it's equal to 0.4090. And when the probability of z greater than 0.32, okay, 0.32, so 0.3 is here, 0.3 K2 is here, so it's equal to 3745. So it's equal to 0.4090 minus with 0.3745. So equal to 0.0345. Okay, now we proceed to question B to calculate the probability at least 150. Okay, so what is the probability? Okay, so from question number A, okay, we already have the notations of the normal. Okay, this is the notation of the normal distribution, so we can use this normal distribution to solve question B. So we have our normal distribution with the mean 1 to 8 and also our standard deviation or our variance is 10.8517 square. Okay, so we go to step 4, okay, by using the theory 13 or continuity corrections. Okay, so we want to, when x greater or equal to 150, okay, so it's from here, x greater or equal to 150. So when we have x greater or equal to 150, so it's equal to the x greater than 150 minus 0.5, that's mean 149.5. Okay, so that means it's equal to, when your x greater equal to 150 is equal to x greater than 149.5. Okay, so in step 5 we are looking for x greater than 149.5. Okay. So it's equal to z greater than at 149.5 minus the mean. The mean is 128. Okay, this is your mean and this one is your variance. Okay, we have variance square, so this one is your variance. So your standard deviation is 10.8517. Okay, so we will get z greater than 1.98. Okay, so we can look from the table. Okay, z greater 1.98. So this is the normal distribution table 1.98. So it's here 0.0239. So it's equal to 0.0239. So this is the answer for question number B.